today I'm going to show you the Herbal Essences Hello Hydration Moisturizing Shampoo. And this is a deep moisturizing shampoo. A lot of shampoos, they don't really focus on the moisturizing part. They don't nourish your hair like this one does. But this really goes into it. And it does help repair the damage on your hair. Now, shampoo is something you should not use every day. Studies have shown that. And it does not help your hair because it strips it of its natural oils. But I used to use this once a week. And I would follow up by using a conditioner. Hello Hydration. This is coconut scented. It smells so good. And I used to use it all the time when I really didn't care about keeping my curls intact. It really gave me this wavy, voluminous hair, and it was very smooth, and I just felt like my hair was brand new because I color my hair and I use this on my dyed hair, and it's hard to find good products for that, and it really worked really well. It didn't wash it out or make it fade. It just kind of made it shinier, which is actually nice. So it did the opposite. You know, it comes in this blue plastic bottle, and then it has a little cap here that you pop and you squeeze out. So I'm not gonna, I actually just used it on my hair. So I actually have been, yeah, it's almost empty, but that's how it is. It's this glossy blue texture, and so that's, you know, it took a bit to get out because I have been using it for so long. But it smells so good. It froths up so well in your hair, and when you rinse it out, there's hardly any residue. So if you feel like your hair is more on the oily side, I would also try this because, you know, cancels out so I would definitely check this out. I'm a big fan of coconut. I use coconut oil in all my cooking, and I like that it's a part of my beauty regimen as well. I don't travel with this. It is very, very bulky. There is a 10.1 fluid ounces here, and I definitely keep it in my shower. Herbal Essences has a lot of different products. They have the same Hello Hydration products as conditioners, and I think they do have a shampoo and conditioner combined, 2-in-1 version. I do like mine separate though, but that is all about preference. So I like how the container is curved here. I think it's a cool design. Herbal Essences is by Clairol. They specialize in beauty products, hygiene products, and they all smell so good. So I really wanted something that helps repair my damaged hair. This has no parabens, no gluten, no mineral oil, pH balance. It is made in the USA, which is nice, not imported. And Herbal Essences is just an awesome brand. I love their products because they all smell so good, and you can smell this on me even after I get out of the shower, which is awesome. And it's great for the family. My boyfriend uses it too, and it works for different hair types. So I would definitely check this out and look into their other products as well. I hope that you enjoyed this video and you try this. Thanks for watching.